Bears RV here coming at ya with a brand spanking new arrival. It's a 2023 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen, longest name in the world. This is awesome. 2 propane tanks that will be filled up, battery, front, power tongue jack. We got front and rear stabilizer bars. Take a look at the construction. Aluminum construction out front, plywood construction out front, light. Oh, love it. We got the doggy door latch right here. Extra wide stance. We got the Goodyear tires. It is prepped for a King Connect. We got the solid steps. There's your model number. Luxury couples unit, rear living, awesome, with this absolutely awesome outside kitchen. Love that. Rear power stabilizer bars on the back. It is prepped for a backup camera, prepped for an extendable ladder. Here's the other slide. Water connection, power connection. That is a 50 amp power connection. Hot water tank, sewer. Well, look at that. Even comes with a little stove or a little griddle. Like it. I like it a lot. That's for your solar panel. Dry weight is 7,988 pounds. All right, the outside looks great. Let's go in. All right, walking into the Wildwood Heritage Glen. Let's shut this door. Like so. Nice and warm. Look at the LED lights underneath the center island. Makes it look like it's floating. What an awesome, awesome floor plan this is. Okay, so we got 4 chairs and a table. These chairs do have some storage. I definitely see a coffee maker right there. Toaster. Look at the windows all over. Beautiful window valances. Nice light right here. All right, we got Thomas Paine theater seats. 3 spot there for remote controls. Of course, that is directly across from this TV, which I have angled out. Let me fix that up. There we go, back in its spot. So that TV does come out and angle over towards that sofa. Of course, this sofa, that does convert into a bed. If you do want the kiddies over, no problem, they got a spot. Fireplace. Love this fireplace. Actually looks like a mirror during the day. We got the Bluetooth sound bar. Furrion oven. 3-burner stove. Look at the range hood. Furrion microwave. Love the counter space. Look at that. More storage here. Solid surface countertops. Stainless steel sink with a drying rack. Now this fridge is a 12-volt fridge from Furrion. It is bigger than most. And definitely does this job faster than your regular trailer fridge. AC controls. Controls for the slides. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. Absolutely. That is a porcelain toilet. Nice big corner shower. Skylight. Medicine cabinet. A little extra storage there. Not deep for a reason, and let me show you why. All right. Awesome, awesome master bedroom. That is a queen size bed. We got opposing windows here for great cross ventilation. Of course, we got that automotive style front windshield. It does have its own rideau. His or her closets on both sides, up top. And yes, we got USB connection, power connections right there. Now, you want to put another TV? No problem. That's where it goes. Beautiful sliding door. But check this out. This is awesome. A nice big closet with its own light. This is my kind of bedroom. Just to hang your jackets. Folks, if you're in love with this floor plan like I am, get your skinny little butt over here. Or your big butt like mine. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I certainly hope to see you soon. Take a look at those vaulted ceilings. You're 6'2"? No problem. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.